special. Be content. Be confident. Have goals. Success. Focus on presence. Power. Prosperity. Breakthrough Talk with Oguslala.
Welcome back. Today, like you know how we do it here, Breakthrough Talk with Oguslala. Breakthrough Talk with Oguslala. That's all we do here. When you come here, anytime you come across this video, know you're about to hear something that will shift your focus. Because while looking at me now, you are focusing on me. But if you listen to what I'm saying, that means you are paying attention. When you look at me, you are just focusing on me. But if you listen what is coming out of my mouth, if you hear what is coming out of my mouth, because from the realm of listening, you will get to the realm of hearing. And when you hear, the hearing will now become part of you. Today, I'll be talking on a subject, a title, The Mystery of Your Thinking, Part 2. The Mystery of Your Thinking, Part 2. If you have not watched Part 1, subscribe, watch Part 1. You'll see, blow your mind, watch the other video. Pay attention to what is coming out of my mouth. You can focus on what is coming out of me. But to get it, you need to what? Pay attention to what is coming out of my mouth. Hold on, let me go. I'll come back and put it very clear to you.
Breakthrough Talk with Oguslala.
Welcome back. What you need to do every day for you to know if you are thinking or not. You have to think for yourself. You know what I said? Every day you have to think for yourself. If you don't think for yourself, others will think of you. They will think for you. They will think of you. They will think, but they will not think with you. You know what I said? Every day you need to think for yourself. If you don't think for yourself, others will think of you. They will think different things about you. They will think. You ask yourself now, what am I saying? It's all about thinking. Sometimes we are not thinking. And when we are not thinking, we'll be saying certain things that has nothing to do with our own life at the first place. If what you are saying now to yourself is going to produce what you are looking for or what you are searching for. Because a lot of people are looking, they are not seeing what they are looking for. Because they don't even know what they are looking for at the first place, because they find it difficult to think, to realize what they are looking for has nothing to do with what they are searching for. So if you are not thinking, you are not doing the right thing you're supposed to be doing. Maybe the things you desire with your head will be the center of your thinking. How can you just wake up this morning and thinking of like, if I can get that car, if I can get that car. You're not thinking. Like I used to say, you're just being logical. If that babe can answer me right now, okay. I think I'll buy. If I buy her the latest iPhone, if I buy her the latest iPhone, they will answer me. No, you are not thinking. You are just being what? Logical. You are looking for attention that you will not see somewhere. That money cannot even buy at the first place. So be in the realm of thinking. When you are in the realm of thinking, for yourself, everything that you think they are far from you, they are already in you. The ability for you to go inside of you and think. Look at someone who knows what to do with his life. When I used to live in America, one of my business partners was telling me how I get into the US. Say my father said he doesn't have money to send me to school. So my brother and I started walking in the traffic in Lagos. After we finished our school, finished university, my brother find a way to get visa. He got into America. He sent for me. Now I'm in America. We are doing very well. I said, you are a wonder to behold. He said, what do you think happened to that person? A lot of people, they will leave their destiny in the hands of someone else say because my father did not do it, that is why I'm not successful. If you think, they did not stop them when their father said they don't have money. They take their destiny into their hand because they think. And when you think, the result of what you are looking for will not come to you. But the result of what you are searching for will come to you. Because people look today, they don't see. But the greatest teacher of all time, he said, ask, the door will be open. Search, you will find. So go into the realm of thinking. Everything will be like fun to you. Everything will become fun to you. When you think, you see some certain things that you thought you are thinking about, but you are not actually thinking. You know what? Hold on. Let me go and come back. I'll tell you more about the activity of thinking.
Breakthrough Talk with Oguslala.
Welcome back. I'm still in the realm of thinking. I said I'm in the realm of thinking. Every day, your thinking has to be in the realm of your purpose. You hear what I said? I say every day, your thinking has to be in the realm of your purpose. If you are thinking anything outside the realm of your purpose, it's as if someone is thinking for you. Ask yourself, when two people are thinking, talking about sport, and it's not going to add anything to their life, and they don't have interest in sport, what are they saying? Is it meaningful? If you are not thinking now, you can actually say they are saying nonsense. Like some of my friends who say, I was talking to the other guy, one guy the other day, he said, what they are saying has nothing to do with their life, so they are saying nonsense. And I said, they are not saying nonsense. He said, no, what they are saying has no meaning. I said, because they don't like sport does not mean what they are saying has no meaning. If it's not meaning, people will not be taking every 2 weeks. Too much cash. Professionals, more like Cristiano Ronaldo, they cash out from sports after I finish playing. Not every month, every 2 weeks. So what they are saying is meaningful, but it has nothing to do with their purpose in life. So when you are saying something that has nothing to do with your purpose, does not mean what you are saying is not meaningful. So you have to be thinking every day in line with your purpose. So if your thinking is outside the content of your purpose, ask yourself, are you really thinking? Because the hardest thing to do on earth is to think. You make decision today to watch this video does not mean you are thinking. You make decision today to pay attention to me does not mean you are thinking. You have to be in the realm of your purpose every day in life. Ask yourself, if you don't know your purpose, it's very simple. That which you can do, that you will not get tired of. Just like me, I'm talking. I can talk from now till next year. I won't get tired. This is my purpose. Some people doesn't have the ability to talk. I look at somebody say, I'm tired, I don't want to talk. I say, why? I say, we'll be talking on phone now, man. The things you have taught me, I just want to hear more by myself. I say, okay, you want to go in yourself? Somebody say, how did this thing come out from you? It come out because it's in the realm of my purpose. I was talking to one of my students one day. I said, I'm about to get to the camera now. I have not studied. And I said, because it's your purpose, you don't need to study. Immediately you get it in front of the camera, everything will just be coming out. I was like, wow. Well, I like to study. And I said, just come into the camera. Everything you are going to say will come out from you. And I realized that I'm in center of my purpose. So immediately I got to the camera. I did what I have not even imagined I can do. Why? Because everything I think every day is in line with my purpose. Talking to you now, I'm in the realm of my purpose. You watching me now, I don't know if this thing will make you think. What? This thing that is coming out of my mouth, there are things. What are things? A lot of people complain today that things are not going well with them. And things are not meant to go well with them. You are meant to go well with things. I'm not putting the things very well now. What I'm saying will not be meaningful. But what I'm saying is exciting. It's inspiring. Motivate me inside. When I bring it out, it becomes what? Inspiration. Inside of me, it's full of motivation. But immediately I open my mouth, it's inspiration. Because motivation, nobody motivates me to sit in front of this camera. I motivate myself because this is my purpose. Nobody motivates you to decide to watch me today. It come into your hand, not by mistake, by divine destiny. So pay attention. Go into my video. See so many things that you need to see. Hear so many things you need to hear. Then ask yourself, do I really need to think? Do I really need to think? Have I been thinking ever since? No, you've not been thinking. You have been using your imagination to block your thinking, because there is difference between the imagination and the thinking. And when your imagination begin to do your thinking for you, you'll be getting everything you need, but you will not be fulfilled. But when you are thinking, you ask yourself, what's going on with me now? Things will not be, you will not be running after things, because your imagination will make you run after things. But your thinking will make things run after you, because you'll be moving and the things will be coming to you. Your thinking is like a car driver. Your imagination is like the full car. So a lot of people, they are doing a lot of activities today with their imagination. Let me go back and come. Let me break it down for you. I still have many things to say. Just hold on 1 minute, I'll come back.
Breakthrough Talk with Oguslala.
Welcome back. As I was saying, every day you need to understand that your thinking is different from your reasoning. You hear what I said? I said every day you need to understand that your thinking is different from your reasoning. A lot of people reason a lot of things, and they don't understand what they are even reasoning, because now they can break their reasoning into where their imagination will be telling them some certain things. And when your imagination is talking outside the content of thinking, it will take you nowhere. It's going to be like activity in frustration. When your imagination, like I just said, your imagination is like the car you are driving. Load every good things inside the car. If you are not the driver of the car, if the driver of the car did not come into the car, start the car and move the car is going nowhere. Every good things inside your life is inside of you. So until you go inside by thinking, not by reasoning, because everything ends in the realm of reasoning. You know the reason why you need money, but do you know the purpose why you need the money? You know the reason why you want things to go well with you, but do you know the purpose why you want things to go well with you? That's the reasoning. So you have to understand that your thinking is different from your reasoning. And when you know these particular things I'm saying about, you can differentiate your thinking, your imagination, and your reason. Because your imagination is what will give you everything you are looking for. But your thinking is what will give you access to your imagination to pick it up, because your imagination will tell you that if you do this, you will get this, but the reason why you should not do it is this. You see? Reason will tell you the reason why you should not do it. So you have a lot of reason. Reason will give you what? Excuse. Reason will tell you the purpose why you don't even need to think. Like Shoshi said, it takes courage to stand up. Everything you need to do on life, on this earth, your destiny to come alive. Like I said in one of my videos, people come in contact with me and they said I'm a destiny child, as if they are there where destiny give birth to me. People come in contact with me, they said, no, you know, there's something about you that everybody need to know. Who come in contact with you, we just know immediately that you are born to live. You understand? Are you not living? I said, I'm born to live. I pay attention to myself a lot. That is the only way I became great on earth. I pay attention to myself a lot. Everything I need to do on earth, I pay attention to it. That is why I can move with all the influence I have today. If you are not doing anything, you are not thinking the things that will make you become somebody on earth, that will make people come close to you. Because when you are thinking, some people will leave you alone. But you'll be happy with yourself, because that's what you need. You need to spend a lot of time with yourself when you are thinking. But today, a lot of people are not thinking. And the only reason they are not thinking is that they don't understand what thinking is at the first place. And if you understand what thinking is, you do everything. that you need to do. Failure will not be your portion again for your struggle. Failure will not be the reward of your struggle. Failure can never be the reward of your struggle if you are thinking. Everybody go through something. But only those who overcome failure, the world will celebrate. I've overcome failure. That's why I have the access to think. That's why I have the access to do this video. The greatest basketballer coach of all time, he said, failure to act is the biggest failure of all time. Coach John Wood, the greatest basketballer coach of all time, he said, failure to act is the biggest failure of all time. Failure to act is the biggest failure of all. If you are thinking, you'll be acting. You'll be a miracle in action. Why am I laughing? Because you are looking at a miracle in action. What am I doing now? I'm thinking while I'm talking to you. If you are thinking, everything will be coming out easily from you. You will be better. I see a lot of people. Sometimes I purposely take taxi. I leave my car and I ask these people in Uber, what are 3 things that you can give to a young man who wants to succeed on earth? They are so fast to say it. Oh, pay attention, be honest, be this, be that, be that, be this, be that. Wow. But immediately I say, what are 3 things? If that same boy asks you, you regret. Some of them I cannot able to say. Somebody told me I've never thought of it. You've never thought of the things you regret. Today I can boldly say the things I regret is the time I could not think. I waste those time every day of my life. I'm born to think. So think for yourself. Think for yourself. I said think for yourself. Think. Don't worry. Think. Don't worry. If you think, you will get the results you need. And don't miss your thinking with worry. A lot of people, they try to think, but they worry over what will happen if they think. So they are scared of going into themselves. Go inside yourself and think. Go inside yourself. Be yourself. Be with yourself. Be in yourself. Then everything will go well with you. I'll see you in the next episode. Take care. I'll come back and tell you a lot of thinking in the next episode. I still have more to say, but you cannot be there now. I'll come back and talk to you guys in the next episode of the Part 3 of Thinking. Take care.